Two viewers have requested date nut bread. Ron Martin and Tran Lily, I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Please leave a comment below and let me know what specific recipe you would like to see on this channel. Alright, first let's go ahead and get our base liquid started because it does need to soak for about 15 minutes. Please hit that thumbs up if you like my recipes and my video. And if you're new here, I upload every Saturdays. So make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell for future recipes. After the base has been soaking for about 15 minutes, go ahead and add the other ingredients. You can substitute 2 medium mashed bananas for the egg if you cannot have eggs. The almond flavor extract is optional, and you can also substitute that with vodka or brandy if you want to add alcohol into this bread. As a reminder, the full recipe and instructions are in the description box below this video. I did switch to a wire whisk to get the batter a little bit more smooth. I have been lining my rice cooker with baking paper, but you don't have to. I only do it because I have scratches on the bottom. You can just oil your pot and that will be just fine. And now put a paper towel or a napkin on the top to catch any condensation from the lid. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the rice cooker will only stay in this cook status for about 5 minutes or so, and it will go into a warm state. And this is completely normal. When we're baking in the rice cooker, the batter does not have much liquid, and so the rice cooker must cool down. If you try to hit that cook button before it cools down, it will not go into that cook status. You just need to allow it to cool because your baked good is still baking even in the warm state. You do, however, have to remember to come back and push that cook button again when it cools down. That's why I set a timer for 30 minutes right after I push that cook button. And then when the timer goes off, I just come back and push that cook button again. Do not open your rice cooker until after the second or third bake cycle. We do want to keep that hot air inside to continue to bake your goodies. I usually check after the second bake cycle. Repeat the cook cycle until your baked good is completely cooked. And I use a chopstick. You know your baked good is done when there's no batter stuck to the stick. There's batter on the toothpick, so it's not done cooking yet. Let's do one more cycle, which is 5 minutes high heat and 25 minutes warm heat on my rice cooker. And my toothpick is coming out clean, so we are done baking. Let the bread cool for about 30 minutes before cutting it. If this video was enjoyable and you like my recipe, please hit that thumbs up down below. It would really help my channel out. And if you're new to my channel, I upload every Saturday. If you want to get notified when I upload new videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. because you definitely don't want to miss future delicious recipes. You may need to double this recipe because it will be gone in no time. Still craving for more sweet treats? Well then, you're in luck. Check out my other videos here or my rice cooker dessert playlist right here for more deliciousness.